How many items were there on your to-do list yesterday? And how many of them you actually got done? A to-do list with 15 different items with no timeline and no priority attached to it is just a wish list. And you know that wish list don't get finished. Give me 90 seconds of time and one free AI tool, and I can teach you how you can change that wish list into a list of actionable items. Let's do this. This is what most of the to-do list look like. Everything feels very much urgent. Nothing has any timeline attached to it. When everything is urgent, then nothing is important. Every morning when you open your to-do list, this is what your brain does. It tries to find the easiest task, it tries to find the more familiar task, and it spends most of the time with it. And that's how your day is gone. And the task that should get your attention is nowhere to be found. It gets delayed. Your task list is not the problem. The intelligence behind is missing. A to-do list is not a plan. It's the raw material to prepare the plan. You pass that raw material through three different filters. Number one, what are the tasks that I need to do today? What are the tasks that can be safely postponed to tomorrow? And what are the tasks that I can remove from this list without having any consequence? AI can do these three filters within 30 seconds, and the output it gives you have the most important task that you need to take care of today, and you can focus on it throughout your day. Demo 1, the morning reset. 90 seconds. You give 90 seconds to your to-do list every morning before opening any WhatsApp or email. Why is this sequence? I'll tell you later. Now open ChatGPT and start talking. Here is my task list for today. Paste your task list right here. After that, here is my day's contest. 3 meetings, 10 a.m. stand up, 30 minutes, 1 p.m. client review, 1 hour, 4 p.m. internal review, 45 minutes. My energy is best in the morning. Report due by Friday. Today is Wednesday. Please give me the following. Number 1, the 2 most important tasks I must complete today. Number 2, tasks that can safely be delayed without any consequence. Number 3, a suggested sequence built around my meetings. Number 4, anything I should consider dropping or delegating from this list. Now there you have it. 2 non-negotiables for the day. Things that can safely wait. A sequence built around the actual meeting schedule. And this is the part most of the people find uncomfortable. A red flag on tasks that probably shouldn't be on the list at all. This is what intelligent planning looks like. Not a longer list, but a brutally shorter one with clear agenda. Your job is now to start the day with this list and just get on with it. One thing on the prompt I need to highlight for you. My energy is the highest in the morning. That gives you context to ChatGPT that how to sequence your task. It'll put your task, the hardest ones, in the morning, like writing that report, preparing that presentation, or writing that hard email. And it'll put all the admin works or low priority tasks in the afternoon when your energy is getting lower. Most professionals do this completely backward. When they open their to-do list, they tend to do the easiest thing in the morning when their energy is the highest, which is the worst thing to do, because when you have high energy, you should attempt the hardest task. Then you gradually take your natural flow of energy through that to-do list. ChatGPT just did that for you. It anticipated your energy level and it lists down the task accordingly. Here is the energy line in the prompt. Now look at the sequence in the output. Deep work first, routine task after lunch. That is not magic. That's actual cognitive science applied to your day. And it took just one sentence, just one, to set up the whole prompt. One more thing that I want you to do before you shut your laptop on Friday. This will make your Monday mornings much more easier. Trust me. So open ChatGPT and start talking. Here are all the tasks still undone from my week. Paste the list here. Please do the following. Which ones genuinely need to carry into next week? 2. Which ones have probably expired or are no longer relevant? Number 3. Which ones I'm avoiding and should I commit to next week or remove entirely? Be honest and direct. This is your weekly list audit. Some tasks you have been carrying for 2 weeks are either no longer relevant or being avoided for a reason worth examining. Clearing those out is not avoiding your task, it's about preparing an accurate list. Now you are getting into Monday with a much more clear agenda than you had before. Do you remember that I told you that there is a particular sequence of doing tasks? You should not open your WhatsApp or email before you make your to-do list every morning. Why? Because as soon as you open your email or WhatsApp, your inbox starts getting flooded with other people's priority. And as soon as you look at them, you start figuring out that how you can actually fit all of them in your to-do list today. But if you have your to-do list, your priorities ready, then you will see it in a different way. You will try to understand that if you want to do all these things today, or if you want to postpone it to tomorrow, or how you want to set the priority of those tasks, that is not your priority for the day. That is basically the best way to prioritize your own task rather than taking the priorities from someone else 10 a.m. in the morning. One action that I want you to take from this video is tomorrow morning before you open your WhatsApp or email, go to ChatGPT, put your task list there, give it context as I showed you, and let it give you the to-do list for the day. That's how you will see that you are getting more things done that you were doing before that. I know because I am someone like you and I have tried and tested things and this works. If you find this video useful, subscribe to my channel and share it with everyone who are struggling with their own to-do list. See you in the next video. Bye bye.